Welcome to my video lecture. I am Dr. A.VELMURUGAN, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Government College of Engineering, Chettikari, Dharmaburi. In this video lecture, from upcoming semester Thermal Engineering 2, Unit 2 Steam Boilers, Module 2. From this slide, we have discussed about the another fire tube boiler is a locomotive boiler. Locomotive boiler is a stationary boiler or portable boiler that is natural circulation and fire tube boilers. The fire will be occurred in the internally fired and also the position is horizontal. The specification of the loco boiler is the boiler diameter is 2.095 mm. The length of the barrel is 5.206 meter. The size of the tubes is superheated is 14 cm. The number of superheated tubes are 38. The size of the ordinary tubes are 5.72 cm. Number of ordinary tubes 116. The steam capacity is 1000 kg per kilogram. Working pressure is 14 bar. The grade area is 4.27 meter square. The total design is formed from the Chittaranjan Rail Workshop in Calcutta. The loco type boilers are in the olden days we have to operate the steam engines with the help of the transport mode from the rail. That is nowadays the loco boiler is used for running the good condition in Udakamandalam and Simla. From the UNESCO will be represented from this steam engine is particularly from the India. From the loco type motive boilers, it is designed for the steam engines. From the loco type boiler, locomotive boiler, there is a two box. One is a fire box, another box is a smoke box. From the fire box, there will be present on the fire brick arch. From the fire box, the water will be circulated only, especially from the ash pit and grate area, and initially filled the fire hole, there is no water will be circulated. Initially, the coal is filled from the fire box. The coal will be fired from with the help of that flame is traveled from the upward direction with the help of the fire brick arch. Initially, the flue gas is entered to this tube, that from the smaller diameter tube and larger diameter tube. From the steam is the hot flue gas is circulated. The steam bubbles are formed automatically. The steam is formed. It goes to the superheated steam. That other exhaust gases goes to with the help of the chimney. The chimney we have to for portable stationary type of boiler. The chimney draught is it will be very high, but we have to artificially we have to change the design from the locomotive boilers. From this here the primary air is entered to the grate surface area. The grate is inbuilt with the draught. The draught is the primary air is controlled from the air is entered to the combustion chamber. The pressure of the steam is entered to the dome shape, and also they have to some accessories and mountings are present from the regulator valve, safety valve, superheater element pipe, main steam pipe, the superheater header, chimney, the steam pipe, blast pipe, smoke box, and with the help of the steam to operate the steam engine. We have to rotate the crankshaft and the cylinder. From the piston motion, the wheel will be rotating. From that locomotive boiler is now it is running in the good condition in the Udakamandalam Railway Department. Next slide, that is the fire will be happen in the internal furnace. The multi-tubular fire tube boilers used in the locomotive, ideal portable unit of small power plant. The pressure range is up to 17.5 bar. The steaming capacity is 4000 to 7000 kg per hour. Water jacketed firebox. Large heating surface is required to produce steam at high rate. Cheapest of higher capacity portable boiler. The firebox is water jacketed with the cylinder shell. Can use the poor quality of the fuel. Next fire tube is Lancashire boiler. The Lancashire boiler is a stationary boiler, horizontal, and also fire tube boilers. The circulation is natural circulation. The specification of the boiler is diameter of the shell is 2 to 3 meter. The length of this shell is 7 to 9 meter. The maximum working pressure is 16 bar. The steam capacity is 9000 kg per hour. Efficiency of the boiler is 15 to 70%. The Lancashire boiler is generally used for textile industries and sugar industries or chemical industries. The construction of this boiler is very simple, and also we have to produce the steam for majorly 16 bar. The Lancashire boilers consist of horizontal cylindrical shell with the water pressuring. Two large fire tubes are present. From this front view we have to see about the two large fire tubes from one side, from right side and left side. From the cylindrical shell is overly from the fire bricks. The small arch-shaped brickwork provided end of the grate to deflect the gases upwards. If there is no brickwork, the flue gas is tightly moved. From this grate, there is a small arch brick is present. If the hot flue gas is entered to the furnace from the furnace or in this fire tube, there will be the flue gas is upward with the help of this arch bridge, the bridge works. The fire tubes are slightly conical form. The rear side to increase the velocity of the hot flue gases. From this fire tube, there is a shape of this rear side of the fire tube is there is a conical shape. Automatically, the rear side is the velocity of the flue gas will be increasing from this boiler. There is a damper is present on this side of the channel to reflect the flow. The feed check valve is send the water uniformly to maintain the shell, and one of the boiler is heated water is converted to steam absorbing the flue gas from the water surface. The steam is stored upper portion of the boiler shell. Here the anti-priming pipe that to separate the steam flow of the water valve, the steam stop valve to increase the dry steam to various purposes. From this Lancashire boiler, there is a manhole. The manhole is used to clean the boiler. There will be some slurries or some salt impurities are present on this boiler. From these mountings are blow-off cock. The blow-off cock is mainly used to remove the unwanted particles and mud area and salt impurities. And also this is the complete construction working of this boiler. From this Lancashire boiler is used for the various applications from the steam turbines, textile industries and sugar industries. The major advantage of this Lancashire boiler is simple design, easy of operation, allow of easy replacement and maintenance, cost effective. The disadvantage of the boiler is boilers requires a large area. The small steam produces more rate. The much available of heat is lost out through the chimney due to the less number of tubes. There is a low efficiency of this boiler. The Lancashire boiler is commonly used for steam turbine, marine application and textile industries. Particularly from the sugar mill and textile industries and chemical industries, we are using this type of Lancashire boiler, and also this type of boiler is used for the marine application also. The land type and the stationary boiler, the fire tubes are horizontal straight tube. The internally fired and natural circulation is present. The pressure range of the 15 bar is the evaporative capacity is 8000 kg per hour. The length of the boiler is 7 to 9 meter in the length and the diameter is 2 to 3 meter in diameter. The safety valve is present for dead weight type. The flue gas movement is side. The photographic view of the Lancashire boiler is there is already I told about it, two flue gas fire tubes are present. From here the coal is entered from this in front of the flue gas drum. There will be the hot flue gas is circulated and we have to produce the steam. Next boiler is a Cornish type of this type of boiler also fire tube boiler. This type of boiler is invented from the Trilogy. It is a fire tube boiler. This boiler also stationary and the fire tube boiler. The flue gas is internally fired and the natural circulation of the boiler. The position is horizontal. The specification of this Cornish boiler is number of tubes are 1. The diameter of the shell is 1.25 to 1.75 mm. The length of the shell is 4 to 7 meter. The pressure of the steam is 10.5 bar. The steam capacity is 6500 kg per hour. So the schematic view of the Cornish boiler is that is a front view and a side view. From the Cornish boiler, the cylindrical shell with flat ends through which passes a smaller flue tube containing the furnace. The products of the combustion passes from the fire grate forward over the brickwork bridge to the end of the furnace tube. Then the return to the two sides of the flues to the front end of the boiler and again pass to the back end of the flue along the bottom of the boiler in the chimney. From the side view of this Cornish boiler, the side view of this Cornish boiler, from the center is the flue tube. From the adjacent side, from here also there is a side flue, from here also side flue. From the bottom of this boiler drum there is a bottom flue. From here we have to increase the efficiency of the boiler and also to produce the steam from this Cornish boiler. Here the various boiler mountings are which are used to the boilers are steam stop valve, pressure gauges, water gauges, fusible flow of gas, high steam, low water safety valve, feed check valve and manhole. The advantage is processed by the type of boilers is that is a sediment contained by the water falls at the bottom where the plates are not brought into the contact of the boiler portion of the furnace gases. Similar to Cornish boiler is similar to Lancashire boiler. It is except this one has one pipe tube inside. The steam generation is less than the Lancashire boiler. All the above boilers were 5 tube boilers. First one is a Cochrane boiler, locomotive boiler and Lancashire boiler and Cornish boiler. Thank you.